Ang ingay. So loud. Oh, ganda, di ba?
Ate, gusto ko ano.
Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Okay na? That's my husband teaching Grace how to play instrument. Okay ah.
Yeah, most of this is still working.
Yeah.
This is only locked because of the
Old organ. Shaman. Old organ. Ayan o, pinatugtog niya yung old organ. Side one, this.
Hindi ko kasi chinarge.
Naglobat ka? Todas tayo. This is old organ from Roxal. From our place. Cellphone na lang. Naglobat siya. Some old clocks here. Watch it out. Okay.
Ate, parang gusto kong magpa-video doon.
Ito na.